So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magbayad ng utang na load sa Globe. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, pupunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating mobile device. So i-dial lang natin dito, *143 number sign. Then after nyan dito naman guys, is piliin lang natin dito yung number 10. So punta tayo sa loans, then tap send. So dito naman guys, para mabayaran natin yung ating inutang na load, ang pipiliin natin dito is yung number 6. So magpe-pay loan tayo. So type lang natin yung number 6, then send. So, nakalagay dito is kailangan daw meron tayong enough balance para makapagbayad tayo ng ating loan. So, type lang natin dito yung number 1 para ma-confirm natin yung ating payment. So, tap send. So, ayan guys, hintayin lang natin yung text message para ma-confirm yung ating payment. So, ayan, nakalagay dito guys is we've deducted 6 pesos from your load balance on your loan. So, ayan, sabi dito is na-deduct na daw naman dun sa aking balance yung 6 pesos and nakapag-pay na daw ako ng aking loan. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magbayad ng utang na load sa Globe. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.